Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are in the crypto world or in the world it is. I hope you're having a great day, great night. And I just wanted to go over my thoughts on what's going to happen with Bitcoin. And I'm going to jump right into it just so we have a quick video. Um, so there's a lot of sell pressure right now. Retail are selling their ETFs, institutions are still buying. We are still at this 50 weekly EMA, and we always hold it in a bull market, except for in COVID, last bull market. But as you can see, in this bull market, we've held it this whole way, and things are getting to a tipping point. Things are starting to look very scary for a lot of people. So I want to dive in into what happened today and what could happen further. All right. So we'll just dive into the daily real quick. Basically, what I see initially on this chart is you can see there is some wicks happening here, right? And there is interest here. People are buying here. They want to uphold the price, right? Um, there's some issues though. Obviously, we tried to move up, but then it immediately rejected off of this resistance. So what happens next? Well, I'm going to move in just a little bit closer and show you what I'm thinking. This was a solid level of resistance right here, or support, excuse me. And basically this was holding, and as you can see, a lot of people are longing in that area, and they thought they were home free. If you took profit up here, good. If not, then you got hurt. And basically what I see is that we just swept a low on the low time frame. So it is possible that, yes, it is possible that this could be a low, right? This could be just a sweep of a low and then we go higher. You never know. Um, Potentials, I don't know. Like, I can't call it. I'm not going to sit here and say, yes, we're going up now, but that is something to be aware of. And there's just a naked chart. There's nothing to look at here but the candles. So, yeah, I mean, we swept a low right there. Can we go deeper? Yes. And, and when we go back to the daily, like I was saying, we have these wicks here that are holding price. But what is the level that we could sweep? Because like I said, we just swept the lows on the hourly, but could we sweep the lows on the daily? The answer is yes. And what I see here is basically 98,200. And in my head, the way that I see this is there is no bull market anymore if we cannot hold here. So if we come down, do a little bit of sideways action and then go, that's great. Perfect. Like this would be the best worst case scenario of what is going to happen. Not well, in a bull case, right? So it could easily um, just do this. Now the issue is there's something you need to be aware of. What if we do this? Are you prepared for that scenario? Because if you're not, you have to be. And this could very well happen. So we're at a very, very decisive moment now where I don't really feel like you can just be a bear or a bull. Um, Now, I think that basically what happens is if this scenario happens, then we have to switch bearish, and the bull market's over. We got confirmation. The top was up here, and that's it. We just have to accept that. Um, but if that is not the truth, and we have this scenario, then we are looking at a continuation into 2026 of the bull run. And I actually have a chart that I've been using to kind of give you a picture of what's actually going on the high time frame. it's very, very interesting. We're in a very big channel. We're at the bottom of the channel, and it's happened the same way every time in this bull market. We rest at the bottom of the channel. We go up to the mid level of the channel, back down, then boom, all the way to the top, back down, boom, all the way to the top, back down. Now we went mid level again, just like down here, and then back down. So could it be that it's the end of the bull market? It could be. Could it be that this could be generational entries on longs? Could be. Uh, that is just what I'm looking at. And again, I think worst case scenario, we're entering a bear market. Best case, like medium case scenario, we get that sweep of what we were talking about on this Binance chart that I was looking at. We get that sweep down here. That would be a middle ground. And then absolute best case scenario for bulls would be that this sweep on the hourly was enough to give us the room that we needed to liquidate people and finally move up. That's that is what I'm looking at. I think that it's okay to take a chance longing in this area, but you have to be prepared and set your stop losses ready for a move to 98K. And I personally will try to long 98K. But if we, like I said, again, if we see that we make this move and for the next 2, 3 days, it just does this and it just goes sideways and we don't get that bounce immediately, you have to expect that we're going lower. So that would look literally like this, right? So that's just what I wanted to share with you guys, and I hope you appreciate it. See you later.